Assam Power Distribution Company Limited would soon provide nearly 2,000 jobs to the youth of Assam to fulfill their vacancies. Good news to all the job aspirants, as APDCL is soon going to recruit as many as 2,000 dynamic youth to fill up Grade 3 and Grade 4 job vacancies shortly. Report says Assam Power Distribution Company Limited APDCL would soon advertise Grade 3 and Grade 4 job vacancies in the company. On the other hand, some sources are indicating that the recruitment process of APDCL for the year 2022 is likely to be completed by the Assam Public Service Commission (APSC). The company is likely to recruit as many as 2,000 vacancies. To support this report, Chief General Manager APDCL confirmed the advertisement of the official recruitment for the engineer post at the company. News Desk Report, Karbin Longlai.